Hello mga Kaganchilyo family! Welcome to my channel! And for today's video, we are going to make this very beautiful granny square boho bag. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to all the videos that I'm going to upload. So let's get started. We need this 4.5mm hook, scissor, lighter, and of course hair shine. And this one roll of soft twine color pink. So to start, let's make a magic circle. Simplest one, just like that. Simple. And then insert your hook, pull the twine, and then make a slip knot. That's not counted as one. So let's make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's make 1 double crochet. So that's considered as 1 double crochet and then 2 chain stitch for the space. Follow. Let's make 8 double crochet in total. So every corner plus 2 chain stitch. This one, add one, that's the corner, and then next is double crochet, then plus 1 chain, this is very easy but advanced already. So again, 8 double crochet in total. So there, make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and then another slip stitch again in the corner. So see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every side is 3 holes. Then pull the remaining twine at the back. So let's go to row 2. That was row 1. Make a puff stitch and then add 2 chain, another puff stitch, and same corner, and then add only 1 chain. So remember, every corner there should be add 2 chains. So if it's not corner, only add 1 chain. So there you go. Make another puff stitch in the corner. Add 2 chains. And then just repeat the steps. Same hole in the corner, make puff stitch, and then add 1 chain only. So there you go. That's our row 2. So we are ready in the other side. So this is how to connect. Here, make a slip stitch and then another slip stitch in the corner. Then let's go to row 3. So that's 4 in total puff stitch. So make 5 chains, and that's considered as 1 double crochet and 2 chain stitch for the space. So let's make 1 double crochet double crochet in this corner. So this is how it looks until you reach to the other corner. Make this one, you make another double crochet into the puff stitch, and in the space 2 double crochet, and then next is into the puff stitch 1 double crochet. So just repeat same steps around this square until you meet in the other corner. So always remember, every corner there should be additional of 2 chain stitch. Here, last 2 double crochet always in the corner, and then add 2 chain stitch. So in total it's 11 double crochet. If it's not 11 double crochet, something wrong with your work. So here, 2 double crochet in this corner. You're already turning your project. There you go. So here we are already at the other end. So this is how we connect. So always count your double crochet, then last double crochet should be 2, so there's already 1. So there you go. You connect it in the 3rd chain by slip stitch, then another slip stitch in that corner. So this 11, including that one, and then another slip stitch in that corner. So just the same steps, 1, 2, 3. So the row 1 you will make again that one. So very easy. 5 chain stitch again, and then that serves us already 1 double crochet and 2 chain stitch for the space. Then make 2 double crochet in this corner. But with 1 chain in the middle. It looks like a V-stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then there you go. Make a double crochet and then add 1 chain. Make another double crochet in the same hole. That looks like a V-stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make another double crochet. Add 1 chain. Make another double crochet in the same hole. Looks like a V-stitch. So this is our new set of rows. Just repeat row 1, row 2, and row 3 until it gets bigger and bigger. So you always count how many double crochet you are already making. So because this is a big granny square that we are going to make, so in total 7 sets of rows. Okay, so anyway, you can pause this video up and follow the procedure. It's very easy, still beginners friendly, even if it's an advanced kind of granny square. always remember, when you make a slip stitch, to end your rows, make another slip stitch in that corner. Okay, here we go. So next to that is, remember, a puff stitch. That row is a puff stitch row. So just continue, but always remember, every corner should be 2 chain stitch for the space. So this is it. I made 7 rows in total, and it's 23 inches because it's a square, 23 inches by 23 inches. And then this is how I put the cloth lining before I assemble it. You can use any cloth you prefer to make. So here, so this is it. At the side, we are already done with our cloth lining. So let's make 2 single crochet together like this, 1, 2, and then pull through together again, 1, 2, pull through together until done in this side. Okay, so it looks like this already, and then you make 2 sets of rows, back and front. So 2 single crochet in the side, 4 single crochet at the top for the foundation of our handle. So this is it. This is how it looks. Should be the same when you measure it. So here, let's make the foundation for the handle. So at the side, normal single crochet every hole, and then when you reach here, so this is where we're going to make the 4 single crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pull through all the 4 loops in your hook, just like that. So this is how it looks. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.